नमस्ते हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम वंदना है। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। एंड आज की वीडियो मेरे हिसाब से बहुत ही डिफरेंट है। सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? लेट्स स्टार्ट द
Hey ladies, this video is all about a very easy hack that will fit your kurta pants without any alteration. So I got these pants from Libas. Actually, this is a suit set from Libas and I got it for rupees 1200. Oh, abhi kurti nahi, I'm so sorry. The quality is good, but still I would rate it 8 on 10 because the pants were loose and not at all high-waisted. As you can see, this is very loose on me even after a size small. So let's fit it. Step 1. I attached a normal button on the inner side of the belt area and nearly 10 centimeters away I made a loophole. Step 2. Now simply slide the button onto the loophole to get the perfect high-waisted fitting without any hassle. If you want to make it look more clean, then you can add a titch button towards the end of the overlapping flap. Now look at the fitting. I am in love with this set. What do you think about this idea? Let me know in the comment section below. Hey ladies, this video is all about a very easy hack that will fit your anarkali without any alteration. So I got this kurti from Libas for rupees 900. The quality is good, but still I'd rate it 7 on 10 because an anarkali needs a perfect fitting. While as you can see, this was very loose on me even after a size small. So I did this hack to make it as per my size. Step 1. I got a set of stitch button from Amazon and stitched it on the belt area of my kurti. Step 2. Close the button to get a perfect look. Also, if you want it to be more perfect or strong, then use 2 sets. This will increase the load bearing capacity of stitch. And tada, look at this now. No tailor is required for this alteration. Hello, I am here with another video on fitting hack and this one is just mind blowing. So I got this dress from Sarojini for rupees 250 and no right, it is unbelievable. But I'll rate it 7 on 10 because as beautiful as the dress is, its fitting is again an issue. So let me help you with this. All you need is just one safety pin. Now gather both the straps and make a V on the upper portion of the back. Quickly insert the safety pin so that both the ends stay intact. Now you're done. No tailor is required for this fitting. Hey ladies, this video is all about a very easy hack that will make your boring dupatta into an elegant shrug. Step 1. All you have to do is take 2 extreme ends or corners of the dupatta and tie them into a strong knot. Make sure that your knot is tight enough so that the shrug doesn't fall apart easily. Step 2 is the most simple one. All you have to do is wrap it around your neck with your arms out and wow, just look at that beautiful look. It has added a blast of colors to the basic white.